Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Amit. I'm a plastic surgeon and I'm founder director of Divine Cosmetic Surgery. Over the past 1 month, I've had extensive discussions with a lot of medical personnel as well as international doctors and in search of guidelines in order to protect our work environment and our staff from this coronavirus. So, I have made some guidelines for clinics and smaller nursing homes as well. And in this video, I'm hoping to connect with you all so that you get very simple guidelines in order to prevent infection spreading between people and to protect your work environment so that you get happier and more satisfied staff. So, to begin, in the morning before the staff comes in, one staff must be deputed to do the cleaning. They need to wear a simple 45 GSM to 70 GSM non-woven mask, this gown. They need to wear a mask which need not be N95, simple 2-ply or 3-ply is good enough, a cap, and protection for the feet as well. The the suit can be better if even the legs can be covered. It's just to protect from the chemical. Now they use an electronic sprayer, usually has 10 to 18 liters of capacity, depending on how much you want. Cost comes from anything from 2800 to 4000 plus GST. Then we use silver nitrate solution with hydrogen peroxide. Hypochlorite is being commonly used. It is much cheaper, one third the cost, but it has harmful effects on the skin as well as it causes discoloration of the sofa covers, any upholstery, any curtains. So to avoid that, silver nitrate with hydrogen peroxide is a better mix. This is a 5-liter can, and just 10 ml is required per liter of water. So, depending on how much you need at one time, it can have anything from 40 to 50 sessions of cleaning. We have to wait for 10 minutes, and after that, a mop of the floors with warm water, and the surfaces can just be wiped with dry cloth. You don't need to apply any sterilizing alcohol solutions or any soap and water over the other surfaces. So just the floor needs to be mopped, and that's it. That is generally sufficient to manage all the coronavirus problem. Needs to be repeated in the evening. Keep all the doors open just so that nobody touches too many door handles. Every 2 hours, it is recommended that you do a gentle wiping of all the areas that are in common contact. So a good way is to use a hand sprayer here and to just spray the silver nitrate solution over door handles or some of the cupboards which are more frequently used, and particularly if a new person comes into the office. So any visitor comes, they are bound to touch a few areas. It is essential that those areas are cleaned. The people who are already in the office are generally safe because you have kept this foot controlled sterilizing sterilizer dispenser, or the new ones which are coming up which are sensor based. So the people generally, the hands would be already clean, disinfected. So even if they are touching any surface, it's unlikely that they will spread any infection. It will only be a new person who comes in. So if the offices don't have any visitors, then you actually don't need to be doing too much cleaning in the day. Maybe just once in a day is enough. If there's a new person who comes in, then it is mandatory that any of the common contact points you should be cleaning that with with the silver nitrate solution, or you can also do it with soap and water. All the staff who comes in, well, social distancing, keep them a little separate. Try to go digital, reduce your paperwork so that pen pencil is not being touched too much. Try to do as much of digital stuff. Keep people at home, work at home or on the bench. Any all the staff who come in, just spray their clothes with the silver nitrate solution and it is absolutely safe. They don't need to wear any gowns or stuff or any protection. I don't think they need to wear any PPE prophylaxis at all. The PPE prophylaxis is only meant for doctors in intensive care settings. So please don't waste resources and make your staff uncomfortable by wearing them. All the admin team is well advised to wear normal masks, 3-ply or a KN95. Actually, even a 2-ply is good enough, but generally nowadays we are recommending 3-ply for them. Visors, good quality visors should be worn by them all the whole day. Do not wear gloves. Gloves are not required. They spread infection from one point to another, so that's wasteful, cost wise as well, and otherwise it is harmful as well. People should bring their own food and water. Try not to use office stuff. Do not use office utensils. Do not leave them around to be cleaned. So bring your own stuff. And mobiles, as you must depute someone to pack up all the mobiles, keep them in plastic bags and in the bags. The employees should not see their mobiles during the day in the office, and give the office landlines for all communication, and only use the mobiles at that time of going home outside the office. So these are simple precautions. If you want to get in touch with me for anything, I'm available on WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp me on 9811991228, and I'd be happy to give you any sort of assistance. One thing I forgot, it is advisable to stop all tea, coffee things going on in the office or for visitors as well. Please explain to your staff as well as the visitors it is for their safety. You do not want utensils to be kept. You do not want people to come in contact with anything from the body. So, no body fluids should be touching, and there is definitely a chance of contamination. So, please prevent that as well. So, have a good day and keep all your staff absolutely safe.